All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this right here. We're going to factor all of these. These are quadratics. Leading coefficient for most of them is not 1. But let's dive into it, shall we? So this first one, let's see here. This one's just what multiplies to c, what two numbers multiply to c and add to b. So let's see, x squared. Let's see, signs are different. 10 and 6, right? 10 and 6. Let's see, plus and minus. Let's see, that's right there. Now this one's a little tricky because we can take a 3 out first. Look, we got 3 and then x squared minus 4x minus 60. Oh, that looks familiar, doesn't it? So 3, x minus 10, x plus 6. Okay, now this one I can't take anything out initially. So I need to do some guessing and checking right here. I'm using pen so it shows up. Oh boy. Let's see. So 5x and x, and then let's see here. This could be a 7 or a 5. Let's see, 7 or a 5. Or it could be a 5 and a 31. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, they're both the same sign, though. That's tricky. This one might not be factorable. Let's see here. Let me get my pen. Sorry, let me sharpen it real quick. Man, I overestimated my abilities. I didn't think I was going to need my pencil on this, but here we go. So check this out. It is like this right here, boys and girls. I just figured it out after I sharpened my pencil. So it's going to be minus 7, minus 1. That works right here because look, outside is 5, inside is 7. Both negative, negative 12. Oh, no, that's not it. That doesn't work. Nope, that doesn't work. This one's wrong. So look, if I put the 7 here and the 1 there, I get 35 and 1. That doesn't make 12 either. So look, check this out. Here's how this one is right here. I'm going to go ahead and say not factorable, but be careful. It's not because I got stuck. Here's why I think it's not factorable. Here are all of the possibilities. 5x, x. So we've got 7 and 5. Those can make 35, right? 5x and x. I got 7 and 5. Those can make 35. This because like these are the guesses for the first. That's valid. These are the guesses for the last. And it could also be like this. And I know that they're both negative for all of them. So these are all of the guesses. There are no more possible guesses. So look here, that's way, yeah, that's what is that? 175 and 1. That doesn't make 12. This doesn't make 12. This doesn't make 12. So this one right here is not factorable. A little tricky. Now be careful. Just because you're stuck doesn't mean it's not factorable. If it's not factorable, it means there's no possible combination that's going to make that. Now this one right here, oh yeah, look, I tricked myself. So 5x, x. Now, this could be a 7 or a 1. I think the 7 has to go here. Because if the 7 goes here, then it's going to be a 35, and I need a 2. 35 and 1 doesn't have a difference of 2. So now I just got to be careful with my signs, right? This is going to be it right here. See, the outside is plus 5. The inside is negative 7. Negative 7 plus 5, negative 2. That's my answer. So I'll write that right here to be consistent. Okay. All right, now let's see. 15x squared, 4x, and 4. So I don't really know if it's going to be 5x and 3x. And then it could be 2 and 2. It could be 4 and 1. It could be 1 and 4. It could be... There's a bunch. This one's really, really tricky. Out of all of them so far, this is the trickiest. So let's see here if we can get this figured out. So if I did a 4 here, that'd give me 20 and 12. Nope. 20 and 3. Nope. Let's see here. 10 and 6. Nope. You see what I'm doing? I'm just doing the outside and inside in my head. So like, for example, if I did 2 and 2, that's 10 and 6. Oh, duh. 10 and 6. You follow me? So outside is 10, the inside is 6. I need a 4, so it's going to be like that. So it's going to be negative and a positive. There we go. Let me give you guys a little bit of advice right here. Check this out. Let me, hold on. Let me show you. There we go. Hold on. No, it's not going to work. Oh, well. I wanted to give you guys a message that, like right now I'm a little distracted. I got a bunch of stuff going on, right? You got a bunch of things going on, and when you're distracted, sometimes you make mistakes. Like I was going too fast right here. I was trying to get it done. So I was going to say that sometimes if you're distracted and you're doing homework, it might be a good idea just to give it a break. All right, but I'll focus now. I'm gonna get rid of everything else and get this thing done correctly. So boys and girls, check this out. This one, let's see. The first two have to be 7x and x, right? Now the outside could be 6 and 4. It could be 8 and 3. It could be 12 and 2. It could be 24 and 1. That's a lot of guesses, right? So look, if this was they're different signs too. So I'm going to go ahead and use my pencil right here. So let's do 6 and 4. I'm just starting. That's my guess. I don't know if that's right or not. So the outside and the inside, does that work? So the outside is 42 and the inside, oh wow, that's 38. I swear that was a guess. I did not know. My first guess got lucky. Man, now I just got to make sure my signs are right. So I need to be like this so that I get a negative 38. So negative and a positive. So that's my answer right there. 7x más 4 and x minus 6. There's our answer, boys and girls. All right, next up, let's see. Let's double check. 3 doesn't go out of all of these, so can't factor it by that way. So let's see here. Now, the 3 is prime, so I don't really have to worry about switching those around. Now, 49 could be 7 and 7, or it could be 49 and 1. I'm going to guess it's probably 7 and 7. So this makes 21 and 7. You see, 21 and 7. If that negative is the 21, then that would give me a negative 14, which is what I need. So I need a negative 21, which is going to be like that. Now watch. Just be careful. Look. Let's just double check ourselves. Let's just multiply these together to see if we get that. Let's use FOIL, right? That's 3x squared. That's good. Minus 21 plus 7 is negative 14. That's good. And negative 49. So we're good. Now this one's a difference of squares. Don't forget those. 8 and 8, right? Okay. Next up, Buttercup. This one's kind of interesting. It's a little backwards. Here, a C is prime and A is composite. So it could be 5 and 7, or it could be 35 and 1. Don't really know. I know they're the same sign, though, so that makes life easy. Same sign, and they're both positive, so both positive. So now I don't know if the 3 goes here or the 3 goes here. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, this one might not be factorable, because look, if I put the 3 here and the 1 there, that gives me 21 and 5. Do you see? 21. No. Yeah, 21 and 5. That's 26, not 22, so that doesn't work. And if I switch them, let's find out. Let's see. 3 and 7. Now, let's see here. So now the outside's 15 and the inside is 7. That's it right there. So I was wrong. My instinct was saying, hey, this might not work. Okay, 15 and 7. Yep, there we go. Now last one. 3x and x. Okay, now it's going to be this right here. No, it's going to be this right here. This is it right here, and it's going to be minus and plus. Because look at the outside's a negative 9, the inside's 1. So there we go, boys and girls. Hope it helped. See you soon.